What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing very well, and today I am kind of feeling animalesque. Is that a word, or did I just make that one up? I think I did. But with my animal printed shirt, I feel kind of like I am in a jungle right now, but also like I am wearing my grandmother's blouse. Okay, but that is besides the point of this video. I wanted to talk to you about this amazing book by Flow. Flow is a Dutch magazine, and I believe they also sell it internationally, or at least in the UK and France or something. Not sure, but this book is in English and in Dutch. So what kind of book is this? This is a book filled with printed paper, labels, stickers, and other cute stuff, DIY stuff really. As you might know, I'm an illustrator myself, so I love to get inspiration from it and use this kind of printed stuff to send out snail mail. And yeah, I just was really wondering if it was worth the money. So it is really thick and heavy. That's good. It is filled with a lot of stuff, and I thought we could like flip it through together so you could see if you would buy it for yourself. So this is what the front looks like, and I love it because I love plants. So this is like perfect. I love the little cutout right here, the little heart in lovers. When you open it up, you see this beautiful page with, again, plants, which I love. I think I actually have this plant. Yeah, I do. Little interviews with the designers. Now we are starting with craft. So these are coloring pages, which I don't really use. I do think it is nice and relaxing to do, but yeah, I don't really do that anymore, but you could always cut it out and paste it on top of something or use it in your bullet journal. I like that the pages have a print on the back, so if you don't use the coloring paper, you can always use the printed paper. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be a DIY greenhouse. I won't be making that, but I will be using these plant images. I love it. So here you can see this is the base for the plant house. Ooh, what's this? I think these are posters. Let's see what's in here. What's her name? Oh my gosh, Frida Kahlo, I think. Let's see. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, love this. If you know my own artwork, I also draw a lot of little cabins in the woods with mountains and stuff, so this is probably my favorite. So here you get a lot of just paper, which you can rip out, as I can see. Yes, you can just rip it out right here. Here you see the first sticker page, and I kind of like them but also don't like them. Some of them I do like, some of them I won't use probably because of the colors. Love this black and white one though. The little cat right here. Ooh, I love this printed paper. Some more stickers. Oh, they did the same print in my favorite color. Love it. So what is this? Are these kind of stickers or washi tape kind of stuff? Let me see. Okay, so it is just a sticker. You can kind of use it as washi tape, I guess. I am going to use this for my January page. So here you can see this little book. I don't know what I will use this for. It looks cute, but seriously, what would you do with it? Draw faces on it, perhaps? Let's see, what is this? Ooh, it is kind of a banner. Stop and says stop and see. Next page is this one. I am not really the origami kind of type, but I love the patterns. On to the second part of this book. Here it says write. So this is, I think, or I believe, for letters. They also added some labels in here, so you could write down the name of the person you are sending a card to or a package to. And I love these kind of nature photographs. I love these mountains. Like, that is really my style. Ooh, it's double-sided. So you have to make a choice, I guess. Or if you don't paste it on paper or on a package, you can make tags out of them, or labels, whatever you call them. I love these mountains and the cacti ones. Take it slow, love that. Wow, this is a really bright page. These are stickers. That kind of looks cool. It will really pop out of anything you will put this on. They also put calendars in here. So here's the one for January. I love the simplicity of this page, and on this page you see little cards you can use. Stickers, sticker labels. Oh, this would be perfect for your school books. Ooh, this is cute as well. This is perfect for pen paling. So it says here to and from. So you could paste this on the back. I love this little check kind of print. Again, sticker labels with to and from. Ooh, foldable page coming up. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, that's so cute! Look at that. You can flip the little boxes. There are little animals behind them. How cute! What will you use this for? Maybe to send it to your pen pal? Would you like that, Megan? Megan is my pen pal, by the way, so. And I love the other side, the print with the leaves and stuff. Oh, this is going to be perfect for pen paling. Definitely will use this. Oh, I love the back. Such a cute print. Love it. Little illustrations here and there. We'll definitely use this. Now, the last one, Give. I am so excited for this one. I also love this print with the dark flowers, but the contrast with the childish label right here, I don't really like it. Yeah, it clashes a bit too much in my opinion. Here I don't really mind it too much because the colors are more, yeah, they fit better. Some cute labels. That's funny. Ooh, what is this? I think this is just printed paper. Let me take it out real quick. Here you can see step by step how you can fold your own gift bag, which is really cool. A little bit explanation at the bottom in English and Dutch. Perfect. Here you see some small stickers, which I kind of like, but I like the illustrations, but they are square, which make them kind of weird to use maybe. Ooh, love this. Love, love, love this. I probably will use these for my bullet journal or for, again, sending a package and just use the stickers for the name for my pen pal. Here you see again the kind of washi tape stickers. I prefer these ones. I love the colors. I will definitely use these. And yes, again, more printed paper. Love these colors, by the way. So this is the end of the little book. Here you can see that there is a little folder and it has a cute dog. How cute is this? So you can move this. I will definitely gift this to someone. And here is a little notebook as well with cute illustrations on it. Love the colors. And it is just blank, so you can use it for drawing or writing. So that is it. This is all what was in the book. Let's close it real quick. So now, was it worth the bucks? Well, I think so. If you have a pen pal or you like to make cute packages for other people, cute gifts. If you do bullet journaling, you can use a lot of these images in your bullet journal if you use that kind of stuff. Also, of course, when you buy stuff like this, some pages you will love, some pages you won't probably use. Like, I think I won't use these labels because it is not right up my alley, but I do really love all of the kind of more floral prints. Like, let me see. Yeah, here we go. These ones I love. It is kind of a decision you have to make, of course, for yourself. I am definitely going to use this for pen paling and I can't wait to use it. I just wanted to add a little clip of what I made for my pen pal with this book. And I used a lot of pen pal paper, if you could say so, and a little tag, the little sausage dog, she loves that. So, and I also decorated the envelope with a lot of green and red, very festive, perfect for those Christmas gifts. And yeah, I didn't use everything from the book, so some things I collected from other stuff. I did use the stickers for the back of the envelope and I think it turned out really cute. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you would like to. And yeah, would you buy this book for paper lovers, or would you skip it? Let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!